Guys, in this video I will show you how to share TikTok video to Facebook story. Firstly, go up to your TikTok site and then select a video that you want to get up and go into your Facebook story. For example, we'll go with this video and I will go on my share button on my last section on my right side and go for save video on the third selection. Now I'll need to wait to get up to that saving video and go to my Facebook site and go for story site, in which I can edit story by creating story, typing on it. In here I will select the video which was selected on TikTok. Now I can go for share, go on share for Facebook, and here I'll need to wait manually. And now guys, as you can see, the story site has been posted, and now with this we have shared TikTok video to our Facebook story. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.